Hey guys, it's Ray here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to probably okay, I need to calm down because I am so excited for today's video. Like, I've been smiling so much that my cheeks are like hurting at this point, but I don't care, I'm so excited. As you guys know, I am an art channel and in the past I have tested out various like strange / weird art supplies. For example, there was that gold Gucci pen that like exploded everywhere. There was the 100-year-old colored pencils that I tried out. And etc, you know, all the weird stuff that I've done on my channel. But today's video, for today's video, I have found the biggest working pencil that money can buy. And guys, I got the package a few days ago and this thing is just absolutely massive. Like, it's huge, especially when you compare it to me, it's so huge. And I'm only 5'2". Now before we just blindly jump right into it, a little bit about this package is that I bought it on Amazon for about like $35, a little bit cheaper than that. It's a total of 44 inches long, and the reviews on this were a perfect 5 stars out of 31 reviews. And it also had really great pictures. Look at that. It just screams enthusiasm and not high school embarrassment. So yeah, with that being said guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I can't believe that actually worked, oh my god. Okay. So, oh god, this thing is so big I just hit one of my lamps. So right off the bat, one thing I want to say is this thing is absolutely huge. As you can clearly see, it is so huge in fact that my camera isn't picking up the whole entire thing. So thus, I have a second camera angle going on for you guys. And even with the second camera, this thing is still like too big to fit. Like, okay, like this is the only way I can like truly show you guys the true angle of how huge this thing really is. It's huge! So yeah, whenever you do receive this, there's one side of the packaging that is like styrofoam, and on the other side, a plasticking wrap that you would kind of use for like posters and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll just go ahead, zoom you guys in a little bit, and we'll open it right now. If I can figure out how to open this thing because it's so huge, like, I don't even know how to open it. Oh my god, it's so difficult to open.
2,000 years later.
So yeah, that was a little tough to open. I ended up like pretty much destroying the plastic, bending the knife, and I even lost a nail, so RIP. I'm not kidding you guys, I literally went to 1, 2, 3 different pairs of scissors to get this stupid thing open. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in total disbelief right now. Look at this. This is so huge. Oh my god. And you guys want to see the best parts? Boom, baby. Yeah, I didn't really tell you this in the intro, but a lot of people buy these for like school awards, and so you can engrave the student's name on there. And of course, I got my name engraved on it. So yeah, whenever you look at the details, this right here, this whole entire thing is a real working eraser. Right here we get the details of like, pretty much whenever you buy a real pencil, it has this little thing right here. Oh, okay, so we have the website right here and all their information located right here. Go down, go down, go down. Got my name, go down some more. And we have the real working pencil. Look at that, that is so cool. That is a real lead on this pencil, which I think is the best part. You know what I mean? Like, it's one thing to be like a big novelty pencil, but the fact that it actually writes and erases, I mean, come on. So yeah, it's pretty much the exact same size as it was as the packaging. Like, I thought the packaging would add maybe a few more inches, but nope, this thing is like super gigantic. And whenever you compare this thing to like a normal pencil, it's just so huge in comparison. And the pencil itself, it's actually really lightweight. Like, I thought it would be more heavier than what it is, but it's very light. With this giant pencil, I feel like Doodle Bob right now. So yeah, whenever I back up a little bit, it doesn't take up my full entire wingspan. Again, I'm only 5'2", so you know, I'm pretty short anyway, but even this is like really impressive. Oh my god. But I kind of want to know, like, how will the swatches work? Like, it's one thing to look like a real pencil, but does it write like a real pencil? So yeah, let's go ahead and work on some swatches. Or swatch, because there's only one. Hello guys, it is the next day, and I've had some time to think about like what I want to draw. You know, it has to be something that I'm pretty good at drawing. It has to be something simple, but I can still do kind of realistic, but not really. And I think I'm gonna draw a skull. But before I can draw said skull, I'm going to need to practice with this baby. So I think the first thing we'll start off with is something simple like my name. SuperRaeDizzle. Yeah. So now the next test will be seeing how it compares to just a normal, regular, everyday pencil. And here is the regular pencil. Okay, so what I can see so far is that the pigment looks really good, and basically I think I'm gonna have a much harder time with the giant pencil than I would a regular pencil. I mean, I don't have like super high expectations for the quality of the pencil. You know, I'm just lucky that this giant ass pencil even works, you know what I mean? Just the fact that it has a real eraser and just the fact that it has a real graphite tip on the end, that's all I could ask for. Okay, so yeah, maybe I should try standing up. Maybe that'll help. Like, it's super heavy over the shoulder. It's kind of started actually hurting my shoulder. No control. Yeah, no, that is very much an understatement, because the next day, I'm not kidding you guys, I was sore on one specific part of my shoulder because that's where all the weight was distributed on said pencil. And I quickly learned that if I held it down below, it was much easier to control. Like, I felt like I was controlling a boat or something, but it was much easier than the shoulder method. So a few things I was having like issues with was the graphite going all over the place. Like, I've worked with a lot of pencils in my life, but I don't think I've worked with a graphite that was this soft. Like, it was it reminded me of charcoal, like chalk, a lot. So I had a really hard time trying to get like shadows and depth and try not to basically turn it into, you know, like one big smear of a drawing. And another thing I had trouble working with, but I was so down. Like, I love the eraser. It was so huge, and it worked great. It's just that it was so huge that I couldn't get into like little spaces and little crevices and, you know, like the little areas I needed to. Oh, okay, so here's the final drawing, ladies and gentlemen. If there's too much of like that weird sheen or shine that pencils give off, I'll go ahead and overlay an image. And ultimately what I had to do was I had to go in a little bit with the eraser. I also had to go in and press in the pigment with this Tortillon. So I was like pressing in there, you know, trying to get like a darker gradient than what I currently had. But all around, I really enjoyed this pencil. I think it was like an experience of a lifetime. And yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you so much again for watching. If you want to see more crazy art supplies, hit that subscribe button. All my links are located right here. And yeah, with that being said, guys, I will see you next video. Bye!